In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails in iCloud Mail. If your mailbox is overflowing and you want a clean slate, I'll walk you through moving everything to the trash in one go and then permanently erasing it so you actually free up storage. Start by opening a web browser on your computer and going to icloud.com/mail. Sign in, and once you're in iCloud Mail, open the folder you want to clear. Most people start with the inbox, but you can do this with any folder. On a computer, bulk selection is the fastest way to go. Hold the Control key while clicking to select multiple emails at once. On a Mac, you can use the Command key. Keep clicking until you've highlighted all the messages you want gone. With your messages selected, click Move, then choose Trash. This action doesn't erase your emails yet. It simply relocates them to the trash folder so they're out of your main view. To completely wipe those emails and reclaim space, head to the trash, sometimes labeled Bin. Look for the settings gear icon in the mail interface. Click it, choose Empty Trash, and confirm when prompted. This step is permanent. Once you confirm, those emails are deleted and cannot be recovered. So take a quick moment to scan the trash if there's anything you might still need before you proceed. A few important things to keep in mind. When you move emails to trash, iCloud typically keeps them there for up to 30 days before automatically removing them. That means your storage won't be fully cleared until you empty the trash yourself. Also, because iCloud syncs across devices, deleting here affects your mail on all connected devices. If you share an account across multiple devices, make sure you're comfortable with that change everywhere. If you're dealing with a very large mailbox, give the system a little time. Moving and deleting large batches can take a moment to process. That's it. First, move everything from the folder you want to clear into trash using multi-select and the Move option. Then, to finish the job, go into Trash, open Settings, and choose Empty Trash to permanently delete. Follow these steps whenever you need to quickly clear space and keep your inbox tidy.